Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of my robovac cleaner. So I have mentioned that in the first part, like I will come back with more details about a robovac. So first step, we have to download the Eufy home clean app from the Play Store. In Android phone, you have to download from your where you are able to download. Okay, so you have to download to control the robovac. Okay, so I have already downloaded that one. Then it will come like a end user license agreement. You have to accept that, and after that it will set up. It will take some minutes, so wait for the setup. Okay, so until the setup finish, I will show the further details. Okay, so when you scroll it, you can see that like it's a comfortable zone and experience now.
Giving awaits. Experience now. Here when you need us. Experience now. So
Then you have to create an account. You have to give an email address and password.
building your connected home by adding lights, robovac and other Eufy device.
So you have to add a device. When in the picture, you have to select your device. Mine is X8 hybrid, so I click that one. Then it will come. Okay, so
Power on. Press and hold start. Oh no. Press and hold the start button for 3 seconds to turn robovac on. Then status confirm.
So we have to do like that to turn it on. So make sure that you keep this device where the Wi-Fi signal is good. Okay.
Press and hold the start button for 3 seconds.
So when it's turned on, it will say the status confirmed. When you status confirmed, then you have to click for the next options. Okay. So only this works when the Wi-Fi
To connect and determine the relative position or nearby device. Allow. So we'll see. Robovac X8 hybrid 5710.
So next page it will ask which device you wanted to connect. So you have to choose your device which you wanted to connect with your smartphone app. Okay.
The network you want to use only support 2.4 GHz.
So this device only connect with 2G. So usually in the internet you have 2G and 5G. We have 2G and 5G. So after the Eufy app is connected, you can use the app to turn the robovac and you can start cleaning. The first time when the robovac is cleaning, you need to clean with the auto. Then it can create a map. So the next time it will be very easier for robovac to clean your house according to your instructions. Okay, so I have just connected. It will take some time to connect the robovac. Okay. So let's start the robovac. We have named the robovac as Bob. Okay, so it will come robovac, or you can change your favorite name. I'm turning it on. So previously I said like you have to start with the auto, then it can create a map. Before that, if you need to use for the first time, you have to make sure that the robovac is fully charged. Otherwise, it keep on going back to the charging station. So when it's completely charged, all the lights will be blue. Otherwise, it's just you can see that it's orange. Okay, the first time. After that, if you are cleaning and if you are asking robovac to clean one particular room, then it will finish the cleaning. Then it will return to the charging station. So you can make it 1 2 3 rooms like that. Sometime for me I felt like it's room cleaning is better than auto, but the first time you have to make sure that you are doing the auto. Otherwise the robovac don't know the place. It's same like us. Okay, so I hope you have remembered the black wire. So I thought I can just keep that wire straight, then the robovac won't go inside because it's keep on hitting my shoe rack. So that won't work. So how you have to do, you have to tie the wire. It's like a the tie band. So wherever you don't want the robovac to go, just tie around, then the robovac won't go that area. Okay. This robovac can work in all the floor. I was a bit concerned. I thought maybe it won't work with the carpet, but this is the like a laminate vinyl floor. It can work with vinyl floor. It can work with on the tiles. It can work very well with the carpets. It can work with the stairs, as long as the stairs are big enough to roll the robovac, or enough space to the robovac to move around. It will work. It can climb up to 2 mm of height, so you can see on my my chairs, it just climb on the top a bit, so it will clean very well. So what I did, like first robovac, I just given the idea of how it's our furnitures were placed. After the auto cleaning once, then I choose for the room cleaning. So what I did, I have removed all the chair and placed it to another room. Then I asked robovac to clean again. So it just mop, like a vacuum cleaned once. Then I attached the
Okay.
For the mopping, you have to attach the mop container. So it's a mop cloth as well. It's a disposable one, and you have to washable one as well. So you have to whenever you remove or attach, the robovac will identify and it will say it's robovac, the mop attached, mop removed, like that. Okay. Use the mop after 2 to 3 times robovac cleaned thoroughly. Okay. So where is the purple lid? You have to just open that one and add enough water. It says don't use the any other washing liquid, but I have used some Dettol, okay, to clean it. No need to overfill the water, okay, just fill the enough water. Then whatever not washing up liquid, the floor cleaner liquid, just check their website what all the washing up fluid it's safely used in the robovac. Okay, so anyway, Dettol, I have used Dettol, so I only one drop anyway. Then after all, you fill the container, you have to attach the mop cloth. The mop cloth should be wet nicely and squeeze the water out before you attach it. So that's a that will make the floor clean nicely. Like otherwise it will take a long time, the cloth get wet. So firstly, I have used the disposable washcloth because I just want all the dirt to be taken out before I use the washable cloth. And what I am thinking, like I will use the disposable cloth to clean the toilet, but I am not going to dispose it. I will just clean and use it. But other rooms should be clean with the washable cloth. How
Gently wet the mopping cloth and wring out the water until it does not drip before use. Make sure the water barrier side of the cloth and the filter element side of the water tank meet. Then insert the cloth along the bracket slot and smooth it, cut it to stick down to the family. Okay.
So make sure you are reading the instruction very well. I haven't read any instructions. I'm just doing it because I have already watched some of the videos. That's why I'm just doing it. When I stuck, I just read the instructions. Okay, so keep that mop cloth in right directions after after it make after wet the cloth. Okay, so then you have to slide through the the space is provided. Okay, disposable has got the special you can recognize is the outside or inside, so attach the right side. Okay, then only the water can suck through the mop to the machine. Okay, so you can see a like a hollow area, so you have to slide the mop cloth through it. Okay, but this is not the right way. The mop, that's actually inside part, so I changed that one later, so that's the outside part. Okay, I mean that's inside part that should be attached to the mop. So the soft part should be facing outside, not this one. Okay, you have to change it. Then you have to use the app and instruct the mop to clean it. But there is no option like you have to only mop or you have to do the vacuum. So our vacuum cleaner do both at the same time. That is the problem.
Resume cleaning. Position must remove. Must install. Must remove. Must install. Must remove. Must install. Must remove. Must install. Must remove. Must
So I was cleaning the floor during the night, so it won't be slippery. That's why. Okay, it won't use that much water, so it won't be that hazardous anyway. So I have just removed the I'm just going to remove the mop, and so we can clean it.
Must removed.
This I have said that this is the disposable cloth. You can you have to dispose it, but I'm just going to reuse it. Now I'm going to try our robovac to in the carpet. So let's see how it feels. So you can select how good you need to clean the floor, how much power you wanted to use, how much noise you wanted to use. Like if you are somebody sleeping, you have to make the less noise. Okay, there's a boost IQ, you can use that one. So if you click the boost IQ, it will clean very well, but it depends on the flooring. Like a carpet, I don't think it will work very well, but it's the laminated wood or tiles, but it will work very well. Okay, so it's a bit noisy if you use the boost IQ, so you can check is it. So for that you have to click on the left side. You can see a suction option. So when you click the suction option, you can see like a pure max boost IQ, all that, so you can select that. So now I'm showing you the steps. Don't worry if you leave the robovac there, it won't fall over because it has a sensor. It will detect if it may fall over. That's why it won't let the robovac to fall over. Okay, so it won't if it is stuck with something, it will message you. So robovac will say like the wheels are stuck, so you have to go and help. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.